Yo, when we get to understand people, we don't see what go on. Blood clot. We don't notice if an corona coming, people now catch a regular cold and regular flu again. Why? Them a build up the immune system. You see me I say when you really check out it to blood clot, me have one blood clot in the tree in my yard. To blood clot, one soursop leaf tree. You see me I say look at seriously they are growing hype on the things right there. So you see me I say all of my seriously gone, the soursop leaf empty. You see me I say no blood clot, nothing no bush nah safe. You see me I say whole like Milo and the blood clot Ovaltine them on the shelf and the cocoa tea and all them Lasco tea them. You see them are frowns right now because nobody not drink no Lasco. I be a bush them a drink. You see me I say a blood clot fever, grass, the cersei, mint and all them things they shell down on the tree. My cersei tree dead. People then kill it. Yeah man, a bush then gone back to bush life.